We're putting fun and joke one side this evening. See that? Fun and joke, we'll put them one side. Seriously though, the Maverick is worried for the future of the Premier Football League in Jamaica. This big tug-of-war going on involving the JFF and the PLCA and all the egos and the personalities involved, fighting to control and to run a league that is not generating any money. Now, my clear and present worry is that our Premier League is rapidly heading back to full amateur status. After Rennie Simoes came to Jamaica and we qualified for the World Cup and everybody got excited and the wagon full up, we ventured down the road of semi-professional football. But with the sponsorship and marketing landscape changing so dramatically in recent years, the league and the clubs have been bleeding losses season after season amidst calls that it cannot continue like this. Well, if it cannot continue like this, the Premier League is heading right back to the days when a man go and work, and after work, him just go kick some ball. Not even the national program is attracting sponsorship right now, much less the Premier League and the local clubs. That bubble that Rennie Simoes left here as part of his legacy and his contribution to Jamaica's football, that bubble burst right now. The bubble burst.